making Louis Vuitton's Ombre Nomade at home edition. Ombre Nomade is a heavy, really, really strong, woody oud note. Not this big of oud, but still very big. I think this is enough wood. Next up is some incense. Hopefully, this one will be alright because I don't want it to be too smoky. Next up is the raspberries. I love the tangy raspberry, that fruity, rosy note in, what do you call it, Ombre Nomade. I think I just dropped one, but let's squish it up. Let's keep it all nice and liquid for Ombre Nomade. Squish, squish, squab. Let's do a little bit more. Next note is amberwood. Amberwood is tree sap. Tree sap is basically honey. So I got some honey. Let's pour it in. Glue, 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 glue. Okay, that's actually okay. Actually, I want it to be a little bit rich in sweetness, so let's drizzle that around. Ooh, stop that there. That so far, genuinely, that actually smells pretty nice. But got some kind of iffy smell, I can't lie. Next note is rose. I love a rose. I don't have any. It's not Valentine's Day anymore, so I just got a rose water. This stuff, it's alright. It kind of smells like Turkish delight. I like the smell a lot, so let's put it in. I don't want it to be too sweet because I put so much amberwood, so it's a little more drops. Okay, hopefully that's good now. Okay, it's dropped on the table, but we move because let's mix up now. You hear that? Not too bad, but still kind of iffy. Ombre Nomade has a brown, like darker color. It's not red. It's not red here. So what I'm gonna do is add super malt. Super malt is brown, if you can see there. That'll match exactly like Ombre Nomade. So let's pour this in. This smell, I genuinely, I love the smell. It's insane, but let's just mix it up and see what happens, because you can never be too careful. Now, look at that beautiful color change. Turns from ruby red into a beautiful brown. Ooh, very nice. Beautiful brown. Do you guys like this color, guys? Very nice. Smells, wakes you up, man. Genuinely, it does. Very nice. I'm actually really happy that we added the super malt, because if we didn't, there would be like, the texture will be literally like some like body lotion. We don't want that. We want pure liquid like the one and only Ombre Nomade. Mix it in. That texture is just splendid, like. This is in a spray bottle now, just like the one and only Ombre Nomade. So let's spray it like a perfume, like what it is. Smells splendid, like angels. I don't know what that would be actually. Angels what? Sweat? Or is it tears? You guys tell me. Really wakes you up. Genuinely, if you smell this, it's like after smelling this, I think I could deadlift like 500 kilos, man. Easy. Eddie Hall out the window. It's me that's going to win this year. Oh, jeez, man, that's too much. Me what to name this perfume. Personally, I think it's better than Ombre Nomade. My creations are always the best. This one is the best. This one is the best. But you could say, you know, if you want to buy it, check out ibsaromas.com. And also, do not forget, you can't forget about this. First order, get Ombre Nomade. I'm just joking, by the way. Let me know what you guys want to name this. Let's get an official name.